Hi friends, welcome to Sunday. In this video, we're going to do a real quick check on how to use the sum product formula. What you see here is a quick table or content of our products, the quantity and the unit price. Now let us try to understand if we are to find out the sale price of particular quantity and unit, what do we get, right? So we're just going to do this, and what you will end up doing is doing quantity into price, and that's what you will get. Now imagine if you want to know what the total sales is, right? Now you have the sales value. You could do a quick sum formula and get it here. This is a normal, typical way to go about it, right? But what if you did not have to follow through all the steps we did on this and get the same value? Okay. What you will do is then use the sum product. This is a standard formula. You will identify your array. In this case, it's the unit quantity, and you'll select the entire column times the unit price over here. And that is it. When you do that, you get the total quantity into the unit price and the sum product. So Excel is basically automatically computing each row values and giving you the total product. As we see here, the sum out here of the total sales and the sum product gives you the same answer. Uh, that's all I had for this video. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.